The cannabis sector has been a tough place to invest lately. Investors have faced numerous challenges, from regulatory hurdles to market instability. The promise of a booming industry has often been overshadowed by these persistent issues. Overregulation, inconsistent legalization, and a stubborn black market have weighed heavily on companies. These factors have created a complex landscape that has been difficult to navigate for both new and established businesses. But there are glimmers of hope. Despite the challenges, some positive developments are beginning to emerge. The industry is showing signs of resilience and adaptability. Recent legislative momentum in the U.S., particularly regarding banking reform, has injected some optimism. These changes could provide the financial infrastructure needed for the industry to thrive. This news has lifted the entire sector, with companies like SNDL seeing renewed interest. Investors are starting to take notice and stock prices are reflecting this renewed confidence. SNDL in particular has caught the eye of many on Wall Street. The company's strategic moves and market positioning have made it a standout player in the industry. This Canadian company has been making bold moves, diversifying its portfolio beyond just cannabis. By expanding into other sectors, SNDL is mitigating risks and exploring new growth opportunities. This shift has piqued the curiosity of investors looking for stability in an otherwise volatile market. Diversification is seen as a smart strategy to weather the ups and downs of the cannabis sector. While challenges remain, the cannabis sector might finally be turning a corner. The combination of legislative support and strategic business moves is creating a more favorable environment. Keep a close watch on this space. Things are about to get interesting. The next few months could be pivotal for the future of the cannabis industry. SNDL is no longer your typical cannabis company. They've made a strategic pivot, expanding into liquor retail and cannabis-adjacent investments. This diversification is a brilliant move, providing a safety net against the uncertainties of the cannabis market. Their acquisition of Alcanna, a leading Canadian liquor retailer, has created a stable revenue stream. This move is all about mitigating risk and creating a more resilient business model. SNDL is playing the long game, and this diversification strategy could be a game changer. The cannabis industry, while promising, is still fraught with challenges. Regulatory hurdles remain a major obstacle, creating uncertainty and limiting growth. The black market continues to thrive, undercutting legal businesses and impacting profitability. These are the realities that cannabis companies like SNDL must navigate. Despite these challenges, SNDL's diversified approach, particularly its entry into the liquor retail market, provides a level of insulation. This strategic move could be key to weathering the storm and emerging as a leader in the evolving cannabis landscape. Now let's talk charts, because that's what we do here. SNDL has been a stock of interest for many traders and investors alike. Its price movements have been quite intriguing, and understanding its technical outlook can provide us with valuable insights. SNDL has been stuck in a trading range between $1.25 and $1.60. This range has been a battleground for buyers and sellers, creating a zone of consolidation. This zone represents a critical support level, and a break above $1.60 could signal a significant move upward. Traders are closely watching this level, as it could indicate a shift in market sentiment. Our initial target is $2.50, but the chart shows the potential for even higher highs. If the stock can maintain momentum, we could see it reaching new peaks. What's fascinating about SNDL's chart is the unusual clustering of price action. This clustering often indicates a period of accumulation, where investors are building their positions. This suggests heavy accumulation by retail investors, a sign of strong conviction in the company's turnaround story. Retail investors are often seen as the driving force behind significant price movements. Keep a close watch on this stock. It's primed for a potential breakout. With the right market conditions and continued investor interest, SNDL could be poised for a substantial upward move. Let's face it, social sentiment is a powerful force in the market today. Platforms like Reddit and Twitter have become the new battlegrounds for retail traders, where opinions and sentiments can spread like wildfire. SNDL has become a favorite among retail traders on platforms like Reddit. The stock has seen a surge in interest, with countless posts and discussions driving its popularity. The chatter around this stock is palpable, and it's driving significant trading volume. Every tweet, every post, seems to add fuel to the fire, creating a buzz that's hard to ignore. This can be a double-edged sword, of course. While the excitement can lead to impressive rallies, it can also result in sudden and sharp declines. While social sentiment can fuel rallies, it can also lead to rapid declines. The volatility can be both thrilling and terrifying, often catching traders off guard. It's crucial to approach this stock with caution, understanding that volatility is part of the game. Always be prepared for the unexpected, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't get caught up in the hype. Rely on solid research and risk management. Remember, informed decisions are your best defense against the unpredictable nature of social sentiment-driven markets.